Children of class 12, this is another session of Things to Remember. Today's topic is report writing. I know you know a lot about report writing, but yet you may want to know some salient features of it. Now, report writing is a brief composition. It is not like writing an essay on a given topic. See point number 1. It says conciseness. What do you mean by conciseness? I've already written it as a brief composition. Conciseness means small, concise, that is brief. That is, it should be a composition much lesser in word limitation and lesser in structure-wise than the essay or than an essay. Now, number 2. Clarity of expression. Now, in the point clarity of expression, we would like you to use your thoughts, your expression in a very simple mode of language. That is, I mean, you are not, encouraged to use descriptive language or idiomatic expression, or cannot continue with some narrative elaboration. You should be very clear and concise in your thoughts. Number 3, that is presentation and amplification. Now, what do you mean by presentation? Presentation means following the pattern of report writing. Report writing are of different categories that you have already learned from class 11 till date. Now, you should be following each and every pattern and selecting which pattern to write for a given question. Now, the second part of point 3 is amplification. What does amplification mean? Amplification means that you should be including all the points that is given in your question and amplifying it. That means writing 2 or 3 sentences or maximum 4 to 5 regarding that particular point. Okay? Now, fourth, now how many words should you write? Word limitation. You must be very careful about keeping your composition limited within 250 to 300 words. Do not exceed 300 words limitation, as it will affect your management of time regarding your language paper. Now, the second part of point 4 is syntax. Syntax is the grammar, the language that you will use in writing your report. Now, while dealing with syntax, you have to be very careful that of the fact that most report writing is written in past tense, including passive voice. Okay, so barring a few of certain exceptional cases of report writing that we will talk about when we meet again for classroom teaching, otherwise all report writings are usually written in past tense and passive voice. Now, the fifth point, what is it? It says types of structured composition. Now, as we have come to the end of our discussion regarding report writing, I had started my topic by telling you that you have already been into such brief composition and you already know how many types of report writing categories that you have learned. We had a previous session of report writing, and I would like you to remember all those different types of structured composition, that is report writing, and only then will you be able to be successful in getting your satisfaction after you attempt this question. Thank you, children.